So hello everyone, I hope that your preparation for RBI Grade B 2024 as well as SEBI Grade A 2024 is going well. There is a very important update for all of you related to RBI Grade B exam dates. Now we are not trying to extrapolate anything. We'll just talk about what are the updates and what are the things which are occurring in all the competitive exams in this month because elections are coming. So there is very important update which is related to UPSC Civil Services Examination prelims exam. We all know UPSC Civil Services Examination notification came in February, okay, 14th of Feb. The notification mentioned that your prelims exam is going to be in May. But now because of general elections, they have postponed that exam from 26th May 2024 to 16th June 2024. So as UPSC had shifted its prelims exam by almost 1 month, you can see, okay, from May to June it had shifted. In similar fashion, there is very high chance that what we expected RBI's dates to be, those also may be shifted 1 month forward. I know that notification for RBI has been not there out, but definitely we expect notification of RBI either to come at the end of this month or maybe in the May month. If this notification comes in the May month, which is having very high probability, definitely the phase 1 exam will happen after 1 month of the notification, that is in the month of June. And then in July you can expect that phase 2 after 1 month of your phase 1 exam, that phase 2 exam will be there. So 25 June for phase 1 and 27 July for phase 2. But here importantly, as we can see, important organization like UPSC only has postponed its exam by a month. Definitely RBI also can shift its date from June or beyond June. So this is a very important update we all have to consider for RBI Grade B exam dates. So as UPSC also had shifted it because of the general elections, there is very high chance that now whatever the notification is there of RBI Grade B, I personally think that it will come in May month only. And whatever the exams were going to occur, this phase 1 as well as phase 2, it will happen. There is very high chance that it will happen after June. Okay, so there is very high chance that it may occur after June. So if you consider both of the comparisons of the exam dates, there are two cases which can occur. So UPSC Civil Services has postponed and RBI Grade B also we are expecting to happen in June-July phase only. So considering that as UPSC Civil Services is on 26th June, there are two cases. So either RBI will be after June, so similar to UPSC, RBI may also postpone its exam dates for phase 1 exam. Okay, and second thing is that RBI notification may come up in the month of May and the exam also will happen in the last week of June, very close to UPSC Civil Services exam. So the second case is RBI and UPSC Civil Services exam dates coincide, that is they happen either very close to each other. Now what is the thing here? Of course there is very less probability that the exams will happen on the same day. Now this has happened previously, but here I would like to bring to your notice for all the students who are preparing for civil services exams, who are targeting UPSC also. See, common subjects are there in UPSC. Okay, so in RBI as well as in UPSC, common subjects are there. Now this subject is, yes, economic and social issues, because economic and social issues is similar to GS2 and GS3 syllabus in UPSC Civil Services exam. So ESI part would be very concrete. Not only that, UPSC Civil Services aspirants are very good at answer writing. So in phase 2, English answer writing, essay, précis, they would have an remarkable edge. So therefore, almost 60% of the syllabus for UPSC Civil Services exam will coincide with RBI. The extra subjects are only quant reasoning, which comes in your phase 1. The current affairs and government schemes also UPSC Civil Services aspirant can do it really very well. And the extra static part which UPSC Civil Services aspirants have to do is finance and management. If you ace that, definitely you can have your selection in RBI Grade B exam also. So this was all about the exam updates which I wanted to bring before you. So two cases, either RBI would be postponed, that is the dates will be after June, not postponed, but the phase 1 dates will be after June or maybe last week of June. And if that happens, definitely the other thing is RBI and UPSC dates will coincide or they will be very close to each other. This also creates a problem within RBI grade B aspirants and UPSC civil services aspirants. How? So for the students who are preparing for UPSC civil services or RBI togetherly, they always want the exam dates to be not close to each other, but one, if they give UPSC civil services exam in the month of May, then they can give RBI exam in the month of June, because they will have a brief period of 1 month to just prepare for RBI. But now this is very less likely to happen. So that is why integrated preparation for RBI grade B as well as UPSC civil services exam could be done. So this is a very important insight in this. Now for all the students who I already also discussed that how even SEBI exam can coincide or maybe would be close to RBI grade B exam, or maybe now as we are having UPSC also postponed, all these 3 exams have come to a same juncture. So if you are preparing for RBI grade B and SEBI grade A also, I hope that if you are looking for guidance, if you are looking for courses, definitely you can go and check out all the courses for RBI grade B exam as well as SEBI grade A 2024. You can see that blockbuster sale is going on. Still 7 hours are there. If you go to our regulatory dashboard, here all regulatory exam subscription plans are there, in which the people who are dedicatedly preparing for all the regulatory bodies can choose any one of the plan. Then only dedicatedly preparing for RBI grade B, these are all the courses which are according to phase 2, phase 1 as well as GA foundation. Then SEBI grade A courses, definitely you can see the complete course which we have recently launched. It's starting on 23 of March, one of the live courses if you see, and which is different from rest of the courses because all the rest of the courses would be recorded. Mind you, this is a live class. Not only that, we have now launched LearnPack also. Here you could see, and LearnPack is nothing but one of the most popular and most purchased tool for SEBI grade A preparation, which is notes and test series. So this also we have launched, so definitely you can go and check out. So these are all our courses. Just go and check out once. One more thing, if you are having any doubts, for example SEBI grade A, if you are preparing for RBI grade B, okay, so if you are having any doubts in this, definitely contact us, to contact our counselors, and they will definitely give you all the solutions which you are needing. Thank you very much and see you next time.